Diaper Dekor Plus Refill 2CT2PK by Diaper Dekor is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Diaper Dekor Plus Refill 4PK. Packaging may vary. Please note, Diaper Dekor has recently changed their packaging so the product you receive may not be as pictured. The products themselves will remain the same. It is made of strong material that helps in keeping the nursery clean and free from unpleasant odors. Each refill pack can hold up to 670 diapers and is extremely easy to use. It can help in keeping your baby's nursery free from unwanted smells and trash. Changing the Diaper Dekor refill is quick and easy. Just pull out the refill cartridge, slip a refill over, and replace the cartridge in the pail. Pull down the refill, tie a knot, and you're done. Recommended age, for use with the Diaper Dekor Plus pail. Features: huge capacity makes them extremely economical. Each refill bag liner holds up to 670 diapers. 2-pack each refill holds up to 580 newborn diapers. Tough odor protection and a powder scent provide a fresh and pleasant environment. Continuous liners allow you to cut off the length you need depending on how many used diapers are present. For use with the Diaper Dekor Plus pail.